Hello friends, I'm painting Hyun. Today, let's paint eucalyptus leaves which have an adorable shapes and nice smell. So I'm going to draw these vine and these leaves. I choose this one. And then for the other video, I'm going to be painting this flower and glass vase later. Okay. Okay, let's start today's painting. I'm going to use indigo and sap green, and also I'm going to use magenta. I'm testing the color. I'm mixing indigo, sap green, and magenta for the eucalyptus leaves. Yep, I got it. Okay, I'm going to use this color. And then next one, I mix indigo and only sap green. Next step is sketching. First, draw a big curve in the center of the paper. Second, draw eucalyptus leaf. Looks like a coin shape for the leaf. Third, draw for some detail. Draw the line on the middle of the leaf and to connect to stem. Stem? This is vine or stem? Okay, and first draw a leaf in detail so that I don't just make a circle shape. Try various shape and angles. Some detail in the tip of the leaf area and the edge of the lines. Okay, it's time to coloring. First is to wet the paper only in the leaf area. Take a mixture of indigo, sap green, and magenta, for which I made color before. Second is to put that color on the leaf as a second layer. And third is to take an intense greenish blue to put that on the edge of the leaf and center of the leaf right beside the highlight area. And also drag the color from the edge to center and from center to edge. This paper is still wet, so blending is so good and spread very well. but then you cannot control the water in the brush and then paper. Be careful. I'm going to draw other leaves, same step as much as possible. I'm putting on the center of the leaves and some mixture of the magenta color put on center of the leaf area because I don't want to all same color of the leaf, so I wanna leave I wanna paint various color and shape. As you can see, my old painting step is all the same. First step is with the paper, and second is the put the very watery color, and then next intense of color put on the center or edge of area, and then I'm mixing the other color put on the leaf or main object. Still, this paper wet very much, so the branding and splash colors very well. I switched the brush. This one is a very tiny brush for detailing. I usually use different brushes, but I don't have other good brushes or watercolor brush here near me. So I'm using a very old brush and a brush which is for acrylic. So this is very old one, old brush for uh, watercolor or oil, whatever, you can use it. So for the watercolor, the most important material is a paper. Next one is color and brushes. That is my opinion. So I mean, you don't need to separate brushes, that only oil, watercolor, acrylic, and gouache for. So you can use all for your purpose. Why not? You can try it, oil brush on the watercolor, or watercolor brush for oil painting. Now I'm draw some detail on the leaf area. Draw some line on the center of the leaf area. Yeah, actually, this brush is for acrylic, but then you can use it, and I'm using. So for this one is the shadow with the leaf and stems. I'm mixing color. What is that? Yeah, magenta color and yeah, all of that, except green and magenta and indigo. Draw shadows carefully. Light is coming left top hands. The shadow is right lower side. So shadow is, the shape of the shadow looks slightly different depending on what angles the object is at, right? So in the art, shadow is very important. So we are studying. And finally, I'm using splashing on the background. And then finally, I'm adding the magenta color put on the edge of the shadow area. Okay, today's painting all done. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.